Good day, my dear kids. I hope everybody is staying safe and at the same time watching the videos that I'm uploading in this channel and do practicing the work I tell, because these are part of the CBSE syllabus of the academic year 2021 for the lower kindergarten LKG. Parents, please do subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos, because these are from the books with the updated syllabus. Alright, today I'll be talking about the alphabets and the words related to the alphabets along with their spellings. So why late? Let's jump in. I'll be talking about A, B, C and D alphabets in this video. First alphabet is A, capital letter A and the small letter A. If you don't know how to write these letters, please do check out the writing videos and for both the capital letter and the small letter. In this video, I'll be only dealing with the speech, that is we talk, okay? Alright, in this video, I see pictures. How many pictures? 1, 2, 3 and 4 pictures. And for each picture there is a word. So this video is all about the alphabet and the words related to the alphabets. So let's start. What's the first picture? First picture is apple. What's the spelling of it? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Tell it along with me, kids. It is A-P-P-L-E, apple. And whenever you learn the spelling, read it out in a rhyming way. That's how I'm telling. So repeat along with me. It is A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. The second word is ant. A-N-T, ant. Once again, A-N-T, ant. And the third picture says it is an as. A-S-S, as. A-S-S, as. And the fourth one is the aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. How do we tell it, kids? Come along. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now, the 4 words you have to say along with me loud, okay? How do we say it? It is A for apple. Next, A for ant. And A for as. A-S-S, as. And A for aeroplane. What is it? A for aeroplane. Nice. 4 words for each letter is given in this book. So we have to memorize the 4 pictures for each alphabet, and at the same time you have to learn the spellings to it also. Now, what does the activity say? It says put circles around all the capital and small letters of the letter A. In this page, we are talking about the alphabet A, so we'll be dealing with A. First, I'll circle all the capital A's and then we'll go for the small letter A, okay? Now, circle the capital A. 1 capital A, 2 capital A, 3 capital A, and 1 more is left out, and the last 4 capital letter A's are found. Next, what are the small A's? Can you see the small letter A's here? Yes, I do. I found 2 small letter A's here. Did you see the circles? Now I have identified the capital A and the small a. You are good in identifying the letters by now, and also you should be good in writing the letters also. Here we are talking letters along with their words. Okay, 4 letters, 4 words for the letter A, that is apple, ant, as and aeroplane. Nice. Let's go to the next alphabet. It is B. This book is the latest syllabus book, so you have to follow these words first, okay? B, you know how to write B? The capital B and the small b. And what are the words here? B for boy. What's the spelling? B-O-Y, boy. What's the spelling of boy? B-O-Y, boy. The second one is my favorite fruit, banana. What's the fruit given here for B? B for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. What's the next picture shows? A bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Next is the butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Remember kids, when you read the spelling, read it out in rhyming. Here it is the butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. You have to know the words for letter B. Also, you have to know the spelling of it. Okay? Now we are in the lower kindergarten, so we have to read it out as we identify all the small and capital letters now, right? So, read all the 4 words for me loud and nicely along with me. It is B for boy, B for boy, B for banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, and B for bear, B-E-A-R, bear, and then B for butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Okay, can you see the pictures nicely? Once again, memorize B for boy, banana, bear, and butterfly. Next, coming to the activity, what does they say? They say we have to circle the capital and small letters of B. Okay, here we are talking about B, so we have to circle only the B's here. I'll be circling the capital B's first. Capital B1, capital B2. Do you see any other capital letters in the line? Oh, I don't see any. These are only capital letters. Next, I'm going to the small letter B. 1B, 2B, and 3B. See, all the pink circles are capital letter B and the blue circles are capital small letter B. So we have circled the B's and we know the letter words for the B also. What are the words? Boy, banana, bear, and butterfly. Nice. Repeat them with the spelling to learn it. Okay. Next, I'll be going to the next letter. After B, what is the next letter? C. C. Can you see? It is it is capital C and the small c. Both look similar, but while writing there is a slight difference. Check out the writing videos, then only you'll know the difference. Writing on 4 ruled, okay? Don't scribble it on white papers. It is only 4 ruled writing that we want. Now, what are the words for the letter C? What is it? It is the cow. What's the spelling? C-O-W. Cow. How do we say it, kids? C-O-W, cow. And next word is, I can see a cat there, C-A-T, cat. Once again, C-A-T, cat. And then the cock. How do we spell it? C-O-C-K. C-O-C-K. That's it. So simple. C-O-C-K, cock. And then the cow, crow. How do we spell this crow? It is C-R-O-W, crow. Once again, C-R-O-W, crow. Now that we have seen all the 4 pictures, now tell the words along with me loudly. C for cow. C for cow. C for cat. What is C for? Cat. And C for cock. Yes or no? C for cock. And then the last picture says C for crow. What is it? C for crow. Now coming to the activity, what should we do? We have to circle the alphabet, capital and small letter C. Let's start. Capital C1, capital C2. Any other capital C that you can see? No, I can see only 2 now. Let's start with the small letters also. 1 small c, 2 small c. The small letters are also 2 in number only. So this is a small activity which you can do it at home. Parents, you can just give them a small exercise by just giving couple of letters and ask them to identify and circle them. Okay, this is a very simple exercise for them to just memorize the alphabets and identify them, not to just leave out of their brain. Okay, and remember, while memorizing the words and spellings, you have to go in rhyming. So the 4 words for the letter C is cow, cat, cock and the crow. Move on. The alphabet D. D, capital D and the small d. Here I can see the word that comes first for D is the doggy. D-O-G, dog. Once again, D-O-G, dog. The second one is the doll. D-O-L-L, doll. How do we spell it? D-O-L-L. As follow the rhyme, it is D-O-L-L. The next one is the duck. D-U-C-K. Quack quack. It is the D-U-C-K, duck. Okay. The next one is the dolphin. D-O-L-F-P-H-I-N. Once again, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. So follow the rhyme so that you can remember it well. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Once again, D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Now tell the words loudly along with me. It is D for dog. Loudly. D for dog. D for doll. D for dog. D for doll. D for duck. How do we tell it? D for duck. And then the last one is D for dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. And the last thing that is we have to do in this page is the activity. Pick the capital and small letters and circle them. Let's see how many capital letters are there. It is 2 capital letter D's I can see, and then the small D's. How many small D's? They are also 2 in number. Can you figure it out? Capital D and small d. Remember the alphabets and also memorize the words that come for the alphabet. When you say D for, you have to tell all the 4 words nicely. Dog, doll, duck and dolphin. Okay, we do have exercises and worksheets for these particular alphabets. I'll be bringing worksheet videos also for you so that you can do the worksheets as per the syllabus. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Do subscribe to this channel. I'll be updating the latest syllabus from the actual books, so you need not go for any books or buy them. These are from the updated books only. Just follow the videos and also do the small exercises that we have. I'll come up with the worksheets for the same letters A, B, C, D. Until then, stay home, stay safe and talk to you soon.